Kahit medyo matagal pa ang concert ng SB19 simula at wakas sa Dubai, kaliwat kanan na ang promotion at update ng ating SB19. Kasama dyan ang tag 91.1 radio station na based sa Dubai. Proud na binandera ang concert ng SB19 October 11, Saturday sa Coca-Cola Arena. The Live Nation ticket pre-sale starts on Thursday, August 7 at 12 p.m. via livenation.me. Kaya naman, kuha na ng ticket. And general on sale starts August 8, Friday, 12 p.m. at livenation.me at coca-colaarena.com. O diba, good luck! Ang daming sponsor ng concert, 1Z Entertainment, TAG, 91.1 Radio Station, Coca-Cola Arena, Ticketmaster, Live Nation at Dubai of course. Kaya naman, good luck guys at good luck 18 at SB19 The King of P-Pop World Tour Concert Dubai Edition. O diba, October 11 na po yan. This year of course, mahigit 2 buwan pa ang makalipas. Subalit, excited na ang lahat para sa concert ng SB19 simula at wakas Dubai Edition.